फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय द्विजा। प्रीमैच्योर बेबीज, आई थिंक बहुत सारे लोगों ने क्वेश्चन भी पूछा था, श्रेया प्रीमैच्योर बेबीज के बारे में बात करो, एंड आई वाज ऑलवेज आई मीट द एक्सपर्ट और फिर बात करेंगे। तो आज हमारे साथ एक्सपर्ट डॉक्टर अर्चना कदम, जिनका डोमेन है बच्चे का डेवलपमेंट, बच्चे के माइलस्टोन, और उनका काम क्या है पता है मुझे? लास्ट सेगमेंट में पता चला वो बच्चों को देखते हैं, मतलब क्या करते हैं पता है? बच्चों के साथ खेलता है। So actually as a doctor वो बच्चों के साथ खेलते हैं, that's right?
Yes.
Okay, so all of you, आज का मेरा पहला क्वेश्चन है डॉक्टर अर्चना की, प्रीमैच्योर बेबीज के माइलस्टोन कैसे होते हैं और क्या उसमें कुछ डिले होता है?
Okay. Now, premature babies are babies who are born before age.
Right.
So, समझो a baby is born in the 7th month instead of being born after 9 months. That is a baby who is premature. Baby born less than 36 weeks is premature.
Okay.
तो जब बेबी प्रीमेच्योर हुआ है, बेबीज डेवलपमेंट, बेबी हैज is born 2 months early.
That's true.
So you need to correct those 2 months of age.
Okay.
तो समझो बेबी अभी 8 months का हुआ है, तो you will go by, and he was born at 7 months. तो 8 month you will see his development 2 months behind. So 6 महीने का बच्चा जो कर रहा है वो चीज़ें मेरा premature 6 month old is he able to do that? He's 8 months old age-wise, but developmentally he's 6
months old.
Is he able to play like a 6-month-old? If he is, that means he's doing okay. ये जो correction है, ये 2 months वाला correction, till the child turns 2 years, we need to give that concession. After 2 years, you don't need to do that concession.
Okay, that's important. So it's like corrected age आपको consider करना है
till 2 years. You correct your child's premature child's age till 2 years of age.
Okay. So डॉक्टर ये हफ्ते में भी जाएगा, अगर कोई 34th वीक में गया है तो हार्डली 2 or 3 weeks delay.
34 weeks, 6 weeks, so 1.5 months का correction. That.
Okay.
After 37 weeks, we consider it as full time.
Full. Okay. Last question in this segment. क्या वो बच्चा भी premature who is born 36 weeks? But the weight-wise, the child was hardly 1.8, 1.9, like kind of an IUGR babies,
Yes.
or by birth, the child was supremely underweight. Will they be also counted as premature kids?
If he is born 36 weeks and low birth weight, he is premature. If he is full term and 1.5, he is a full term IUGR baby. Now, every premature baby is different. They have had a torrid course in the NICU. Some of them have infections, some are ventilated.
That's true.
And what happens is that the brain is not completely formed. Certain parts, your executive functioning, attention, memory, all those areas, their development sometimes may not have happened completely. So that is why premature babies need a more high risk follow-up, because they could have developmental delays, they could have motor delays, they might have speech delays, they might have attention issues, they might have behavior issues, they may have sensory issues, or they may not have them. But you need to follow up. If you identify something, work on it and keep a track, and the child does better.
ब्यूटीफुल। सो हम लोगों ने रेड फ्लैग के बारे में बात किया था डॉक्टर अर्चना, क्या प्रीमैच्योर बच्चों के साथ भी वही रेड फ्लैग है विद करेक्टेड एज?
Yes, the same ones, but correct the age till 2 years, but not after 2.
Very good.
Which is why it's important that the concession for prematurity जो अपने mind में रहता है, he is born 1 kilo, that's why he is not speaking. Now he is 2 years old. Now he should start joining words. So that concession
खत्म हो गया,
खत्म
एकदम firmly खत्म बोला है डॉक्टर ने, then there is no concession, and then absolutely just like normal other kids.
Yes, but sometimes certain areas we do need to keep a track on their development. Their follow-up generally needs to be done till say about 2 or 3 years after school age entry, because sometimes some children may not have major developmental issues, but when they go into school, attention issues, learning issues, writing execution. So that is why we tend to follow up our children till at least 8 or 10 years to make sure that things are
सुपर। ओके, हम लोग डेवलपमेंट के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं। कई सारे लोग बोलते हैं श्रेया प्रीमैच्योर बच्चों का वैक्सीनेशन, बेबिंग, रूटीन केयर, यू विल हैव टू गेट इट सॉर्टेड विथ योर डॉक्टर। जिसके पास आप बच्चे को लेके जा रहे हो, बिकॉज उनको एग्जैक्टली पता है कि बच्चा कैसे डेवलप हो रहा है एंड अकॉर्डिंगली दे विल बी एबल टू टेल यू कि उनका रूटीन आप कैसे सेट करोगे. एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन इस सेगमेंट में डॉक्टर अर्चना, क्या आई हैव सीन जिनके बच्चे प्री मैच्योर होते हैं वो पेरेंट्स भी, जैसे आपने बोला NICU एंड एवरीथिंग, थोड़े से ओवर प्रोटेक्टिव हो जाता है. तो पेरेंट्स का अप्रोच कैसा होना चाहिए टुवर्ड्स प्री मैच्योर किड्स?
Okay, see, as I said, if we are positive, if we are sensitive to our child's needs, and if we go about the fact that we want our child to learn skills through play way, the child is going to do well. Overtly, if we are anxious and overprotective, it reflects on the child, and then the child also, it does hamper the child's development. So be positive. If you have any concerns, discuss it with your doctor.
That's best. Communication works best over here, I think. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ है. सो पेरेंट्स, आप जो भी फील करते हो ना बच्चे में दिखाई देगा. कल मुझे किसी ने बोला कि मेरा बच्चा सडनली बहुत ज़्यादा गुस्सा करता है, उल्टा जवाब देता है, लिटिल लेटर एज, प्रॉब्ली 2.5 to 3. और मैंने उनको सिर्फ एक ही सवाल पूछा, आप दोनों हस्बैंड वाइफ की ऐसे बात करते हो? हाँ शायद 2 दिन में एक बार तो झगड़ा हो ही जाता है. I just smiled and she said, अच्छा तो हम लोगों को करेक्ट करना है. So somewhere I think you just meant environment positive रखो, आप खुद
We
positive
are
रखो.
role models for our children. So what they see, they copy.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much all of you. So premature बच्चों के milestones ऐसे ही milestone है जैसे normal बच्चों के होते हैं, just with the corrected age. तो ये एक चीज़ ध्यान में रखो and stay positive. Thank you so much Dr. Archana. See you all in next. Have a great time and bye.